See, but the youth are 2016, that's what TJ said. The youth are bad. Come like a man in for start one of the biggest one in the dancehall, because everybody covered and free.
The whole Atlanta shell down. 13 here we give them. 13 here we give them. 13 here we give them. And then couldn't do it. One VYBZ KARTEL. World boss.
And this is some signal now, yes, from the dancehall music. What on? The dancehall says, come back off the stove. All time kitchen now, wash off your clothes.
Oh, the reason why I put Alkaline against KARTEL are because nobody else now go against him, other than from Movado. Because nobody else go against him.
Hey Melo, if you want Vendetta supporter on a long time and watch Vendetta, I realize he's a youth well calculated, you know. Him not do nothing by chance. And in all honesty, man, they don't want this MASICKA, you know, brother. The smarty who really want this and put to shame are the old boy who just come from prison and big pan TikTok. I know him not drop one song will make sense.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside Renando. You know it's your boss, Nalde Night Building, with another episode, another banging vlog. So, what I want to ask is it that VYBZ KARTEL and MASICKA a team up for overthrow Alkaline? I'm asking the fans in the comment section. I don't know. I'm just curious as to why may I ask that, because I saw where VYBZ KARTEL went on stage, and before he called up MASICKA, he was saying that when he discovered MASICKA in 2016, he must say, yo, MASICKA a bad artist, and then he must say, yo, he must say at one point he feel like him and MASICKA need to start up a real big clash in a dancehall. But what I want to ask is it that VYBZ KARTEL have amnesia, or I remember say him and Alkaline did have something brewing way before 2016, 2015, coming up to 2016, where him dropped multiple diss track to Alkaline, and Alkaline dropped also diss track to him. So I don't understand why VYBZ KARTEL would say, yo, him say nobody not brave. I don't know why he must say that, but he must say nobody not brave and him feel like him and MASICKA need to start up a clash. I don't know why he must try sparking IBD. And also we see where he make a post in our video stating that him give them 13 years. I don't know who him say him give 13 years, but he's saying that him give them 13 years and him not do nothing with it. And also I see another clippings with another gentleman, but I don't see him face. But he must say, yo, Alkaline is a smart dude. Alkaline is a smart youth. Him calculated in a whole different sense, because Alkaline don't really want to clash MASICKA, because MASICKA not really ready. MASICKA is small fry. VYBZ KARTEL him want to clash the artists who come from prison, where they on TikTok and whatever. So we're going to get into some of the topics them, and we're going to share them with you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit that post notification bell, so whenever I drop a content, you guys can be the first to see the upload. You know it, Gary, man. A Vibes and Inside Renando. Stick around, don't move a muscle. Let's just jump right into the topic. So the first clippings I want to play for you is a clippings I see on the internet, on TikTok I should say, where somebody was saying that Alkaline is a smart guy. Alkaline no want clash MASICKA, because that been passed already. Alkaline want embarrass, Alkaline want show KARTEL say, yo, him not have nothing over him. And you know, people, a lot of people out there talk and say, yo, Alkaline and VYBZ KARTEL really need to go at it. But in my eyes, I would say that also pass. I don't think the focus not really there for the day. So, but you know, the rivalry between those two artists and the fan base, it's getting bigger and bigger, and it can't stop. So the only way to settle something like that, a rivalry or a competition between the two, is a clash. So listen to that video and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hey Melo, if you want Vendetta supporter on a long time and watch Vendetta, I realize he's a youth well calculated, you know. Him not do nothing by chance. And in all honesty, man, they don't want this MASICKA, you know, brother. The smarty who really want this and put to shame are the old boy who just come from prison and big pan TikTok. I know him not drop one song will make sense. You know him fans them ever gas him up. I him that one, as we him say, go corner league and pile Messi in a song object bingo. You know him attack, other one a day more flick off, brother. What kind of MASICKA? I can't tell the man why embarrassed. Man, nothing to do with MASICKA. MASICKA can't do nothing for that man, brother. You see, MASICKA can't do nothing for that man, brother. The old boy will come from prison, that man a pray, and all him a do a TikTok for him come from prison. You understand? But Alkaline have to be very calculated about it, because him just forward from prison and everybody glad to see him and I gas him up. Yeah man, Alka give him time for dry out, man. Cause him cool up in and all I wish the same can DJ. All I wish the same can DJ, brother. I swear to you, him Alkaline or embarrassed.
Let me go off by saying this. Alkaline not pre, no man. I wouldn't think that. Alkaline not pre, no man. It would be the other way around, where the artists them want Alkaline to give homage, want Alkaline to give props, want Alkaline to big up them in any way, shape or form. To say, yo, big up the world boss anyway there or whatever. But one of the clippings them I could play for now is that a clippings where Vybz Kartel went before he called on MASICKA on the show in the Atlanta, where he stated that when MASICKA debut and just come on the scene, him been a big him up, him been a heal him up when him there behind bars, and I said big up the world boss anyway, him there rare. So in my eyes or in my views, I'm going to say it seemed as though that probably Vybz Kartel want Alkaline to do. Or, me don't know, but we see where Alkaline been giving him respect and say rare. But it's like he want homage from the youth. He want a big up. He say big up Kartel, big up the world boss, whatever. Well, we won't see something like that. But watch a clippings that with Vybz Kartel when him call on MASICKA and listen what him say in the clippings, people.
See, but the youth are 2016, that's what DJ said. That the youth are bad. Come like a man in for start one of the biggest one in the dancehall, because everybody come and afraid. But the youth are brave. Anyway, him there they are doing things. Always have to go KARTEL and thing. But big him up, yeah. Radio, MASICKA, him radio. So in his honor, if he was here tonight, I will call him up. This is his song we would sing.
As me can tell you, people, you see dancehall is a mind game sports. And if you can't play a hypocrite with dancehall artists, then you're going to last. And you have to know for use craft and artists. And remember, Infrared was MASICKA's biggest song with Vybz Kartel. And remember, Infrared was a counteraction to Alkaline's After All song. And a bag of look of shades and this are going in a song and so forth. And Infrared was MASICKA's biggest song with Vybz Kartel. And to see Vybz Kartel saying what him saying in this video, saying that, MASICKA did a game in props, MASICKA rate him. And him say MASICKA are the artists where him say him and him can clash. I remember all the time he was saying that a MASICKA him say are the true opponent for really him and him go at it. So for sure and for listen when me really say about the whole team up for try to get out. And we've been know this from a longer time. It's not nothing new, but many times some things like this can be hidden and hide under the rug because some people are new to it. Some people new to it and some people are pretend like say them not privy to it. So that is what me I say is like a mind game I play in a dancehall, and me have another clippings with Vybz Kartel saying that him give them 13 years to do whatever them for do and them not do it. So watch another clippings of people.
Yeah, with a tape, guys on a rail. Yeah, with a tape, guys on a rail. Atlanta, State Farm Arena. Atlanta, State Farm Arena. Yeah, with a tape, guys on a rail. State Farm Arena. The arena shell just passed through and the whole Atlanta shell down. 13 years we give them. 13 years we give them. 13 years we give them. And then couldn't do it. One Vybz Kartel. World boss. Fully booked. But the sound of me knows.
So people, as you hear a Vybz Kartel say, he must say some things, but me not go single out an artist and say, yo, him them must speak to or who or whatever he must speak to us. But you guys can let me know in the comment section what you think about that. If we don't have an idea who him probably send shots to. But as me saying, a dancehall is a competitive sports and you have to know if to play the controversial things. You have to know if to do controversy in the media so your name can stay afloat or get the buzz all the time. And Vybz Kartel is that man where him do any and everything for do stay controversial and stay relevant also. But watch another clippings of people and tell me what you think.
dog bring out Akon. The dog bring out 21 Savage and the dog bring out MASICKA. They don't know the great highlight of the night for me was seeing MASICKA and the G perform that song there. It's me I say. Yeah man, it's a good look man. Dancehall, they look good. They look good. Yeah man, and MASICKA can bring a different fire from the dog to the stage. And I love how teacher know the dog sang too. And the dog just emotional from what they bad bro. Especially when he sing the song. They like me. As me tell me G them, the dog himself never believes that him could have do what him do right now. You know what I mean? Like him know him powerful and everything. But when he must see it unload in front of him eyes in a real life, it shock him. You see me? But him don't tell us still. None of them not up on my level. Not even I know how I do it. Yeah. One Gaza.
Me have a question for ask. Was Dancehall doing anything when Vybz Kartel was behind bars? Was Dancehall up there when Vybz Kartel was behind bars? Because all of a sudden Vybz Kartel they are road now. It's like Dancehall up on top of the mountain, Dancehall up on top of the pinnacle. Wasn't it doing a lot? Wasn't it doing big back then? Because I could swear Vybz Kartel, when Vybz Kartel was behind bars, a lot of artists was out here bringing the culture upon them back. I do big stage shows worldwide. Artists like Popcorn, Alkaline, a whole heap of artists out there in the world. Some shows like Africa, some shows like Germany, because I can remember Alkaline went to Ghana. Popcorn went to Africa also. A whole heap of artists did out there really do it when Vybz Kartel was behind bar. Now that Vybz Kartel, yeah, he's a key player in the dancehall space, but now that Vybz Kartel they road, everybody is so wow and have this spectacular moment to say that dancehall is up there. Dancehall is the biggest thing now. Dancehall, I get by the highlight where it forget. Wasn't it getting the highlights it needed to get? Me want to know that. Who make me know in the comment section, people?
Yo, people in a real life, you know, if you tell about Buckler, MASICKA, you know, man. You see me, if you tell MASICKA, you know, MASICKA a bad artist still, you know. But the truth, if MASICKA sing 10,000 blood clot song right now, he not bad like Alkaline. If he sing 10,000 song right now, he not hotter than Alkaline. If he sing 10,000 songs right now, he can't keep a show with big like Alkaline. We just start the facts, man. Just start the facts, man. You see me? If Vendetta boss stand up by himself, you see me? And himself he stand up by, he never no help he never get or need. You see me? Every rest of them have to get help. Dog never, everybody else can drain the dog energy. Man never drain the energy, and them can drain for him. If Vendetta alone can keep a show off on his own, MASICKA can't do that. Go up on people's show. See it, I keep some look show, but MASICKA, you're not like Alkaline.
What I realize is that you see, if your third eye not open, you're not gonna see plot we are going in a dancehall. There's a huge plot in a dancehall going on right now where it is to get out a certain person out of dancehall or push them aside so them not get the form of respect or ratings they like or others wouldn't get. And we see it a long time, you know, and I don't just know but it's just becoming more and more evident by the things that people are saying out of their mouth. And when I say is people, boy, just crazy what going on in a dancer right now. I know it says a cutthroat business, really a cutthroat. But at the same time, it's evident for sure say, yo, them really a team up on a plot against for trying to get out a certain man out of the game. Like, man have all amnesia now I say, yo, man, artists not brave and artists not this and artists not that. I don't know what kind of controversy that man try spark in the media for really cause attention or get some form of attention. Because as I'm saying to people, everything have a pattern on it. Everything where you see a go on, it has a pattern. It has a pattern. People, Vendetta fans and Vendetta supporters, you have to steadfast and you have to firm in a Gideon because you see what going in a dancehall right now. The plot we are going in a dancehall, if you hear in a what moon, if you third eye in a what moon, now go see what go on. It is evident out here. As me tell you now, them champion, who them want champion, them prop up, who them want prop up. You see how MASICKA come up from, you see how MASICKA rise to fame so fast, where him get every supporters, every Gaza supporters, a collective amount of fun will support him, but Alkaline on the other hand have just fame core audience because what? The plot is real and the segregation from the youth is real because we've been a say, yo, Alkaline seem like he's not a part of dancehall. And we hear multiple times with artists like Al Bounty Killer say, yo, no care what Alkaline want to do, him will never be a part of the dancehall family and so forth. So that's what me are showing is the people have on the third eye open. Vendetta fans, we don't forget all out for no artists because the bragging rights for them have no as artists now the numbers, artists now the streams. And when Alkaline was the one way I do the big numbers and the big streams, them talk and I say, yo, Alkaline I buy views and Alkaline I did this and Alkaline I do that. So now we see where the table is turned. Everybody a champion with them for champion. And I say this and that and who I do this from who I do that. So when you see what I go on, as I say, people, make me know what you think in the comment section if you think say a gibberish me attack or if you not think the same thing too. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know already, a vibes and insight when on there. You know it go already, man. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.